Good morning, my dear children. Hope all are fine and safe at home, right? Welcome to the second session of the first chapter. Let us begin our session with a nice quote. It is believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Now, let us begin our session. So today we are going to learn about the knowing our numbers. In that we are going to learn the larger numbers. So what concepts under larger numbers we are going to learn for today? Let us see now. The concepts are place value chart, use of commas, numeral form and word form, placement boxes and the expanded form. Okay, these are the concepts we are going to learn for today, children. Okay, before that, let us discuss about the solutions for the assignment which I have given in the last session. Okay, are you ready with your assignment? Okay, now, so these are the solutions for the assignment, children. Now arranging the following numbers in ascending and the descending order. So the numbers which I have given are 847, 9754, 8320, 571. Now this is the ascending order, that is 571, 847, 8320, 9754. Next comes descending order, that is 9754, 8320, 847, 571. Now this is the next problem, children, and this is the ascending and the descending order for this. What is ascending order? Small to big. Descending order, big to small. Now next question, use the digits without repetition and make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. These are the digits I have given. Now greatest number, how you will form? By writing in the descending order, and smallest number you will form by writing in the ascending order. Okay, now let us see few more problems. That is 9740. Here the greatest number is 9740 itself, and this is 4079. Why you got 0 in the second place? I already discussed with you, that is you should not write 0 at the starting, because its number it will reduce, that is 5-digit it will become 4-digit, or 4-digit it will become 3-digit. Okay, now next question, make the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number by using the following digits with repetition. Now here they have given 3-digit, you have to form the 5-digit. In the case of greatest, you are repeating the greatest digit. In the case of smallest, you are repeating the smallest digit. Now greatest number, you have to, here also you have to repeat greatest, but here you got 0. In the case of smallest, 0 is the smallest, so you have to repeat 0 only. Is it clear, children? Hope all of your answers are correct. Now let us start our main concepts, that is Indian system place value chart. Okay, now already we have learnt in class 5 about Indian system place value chart, children, right? Now in this, what is extra we are going to learn? Only one place, that is 10 crore place. We have learnt in class 5 up to crores place. Now only one more extra place we are going to learn, children. But even then, let us recapitulate what is Indian system place value chart. Here in the Indian system place value chart, there are two partitions, that is periods and the places. Periods and the places. So under periods, you have ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Okay, ones period, you have ones place, it is represented by O. Tens place, it is represented by capital T. Hundreds place, it is represented by capital H. Now thousands place, under thousands period, you have thousands place and 10,000s place. 1000 is represented capital TH. 10,000 is represented by TTH. Okay. Now here lakhs. Under lakhs period, you have lakh and 10 lakh. Lakhs is represented by capital L. 10 lakh is represented by capital TL. Now under crores you have crore, 10 crore. So crores is represented by capital C. 10 crores is represented by capital TC. So these are the places which you have learnt in the Indian system place value chart. Now only one more extra place, that is 10 crore place we are going to learn. But here how can you identify that it is tens place, is it, or it is 10 lakh, or it is 10 crores. It depends upon the number of zeros, children. Here if you observe, the value of ones place will be 1. The value of tens place will be 10 and you have 1 0 here. The value of hundreds place, you have 100 and you have 2 zeros here. The value of 1000, it will be 1000 itself. So here the number of zeros will be 3, children. 10,000, it will be 10,000. The number of zeros will be 4. Now lakh, the number of zeros will be 5. 10 lakh, the number of zeros will be 6 here. Crore, number of zeros 7. 10 crore, number of zeros 8. Is it clear, children, up to this? So here did you observe one thing? When you move from right hand side to left hand side in the Indian system place value chart, its value increases 10 times, right? Here 1 into 10 is 10, and here 10 into 10 is 100, here 100 into 10 equals to 1000, 1000 into 10 equals to 10,000, 10,000 into 10, that equals to 1 lakh, 1 lakh into 10, that equals to 10 lakh, 10 lakh into 10, that equals to 1 crore, 1 crore into 10, that equals to 10 crore. So when you move from right hand side to left hand side, its value increases 10 times, children. Now when you move from left hand side to right hand side, its value decreases 10 times. Here in 10 crores place, how many zeros you have? You have 8 zeros. When it comes to crores place, you have only 7 zeros. When it comes to 10 lakhs place, you have 6 zeros. Lakhs place, you have 5 zeros. 10,000s place, you have 4 zeros. When it comes here, you have 3, here 2, here 1, and here no zeros at all. This is clear, children, up to Indian system place value chart. You have ones period, thousands, lakhs, crores. But here only under ones period you have 3 places, children. Under remaining all periods you have only 2 places. Is it clear up to this? Here they have given one example. These examples we will see in more detail in the next slides, children. So but you have understood the Indian system place value chart, right? Now let us see the next system place value chart. What is another system place value chart? It's nothing but international system place value chart, children. International system place value chart. Okay, international system place value chart. But here also the same like Indian system place value chart, you have period and places. Period and places. So here what are periods you have? Ones period, thousands period, millions period. But in Indian system you have lakhs period and crores period, right? But in the case of international system you have millions period. We will see what places we have under periods. Under ones period you have ones place, tens place, hundreds place, right? Under thousands period you have thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place. So this is extra here, right? Under millions period you have millions place, 10 millions place, 100 millions place. So here under each period you have 3 places, children. Under each period you have 3 places. But in the case of Indian system place value chart, only under ones period you have 3 places. Under remaining all periods you have 2 places, children. Is it clear up to this? This is regarding Indian system and international system. Now what we are going to learn, the international system in more detail with values. Here I didn't give the values, I have given only the examples, right? But we will discuss the values. This is the value of each place in the international system. That is, ones place you have value 1, tens place you have value 10, hundreds place you have value 100, thousands place you have value 1000, 10,000s place you have value 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, millions 1 million, 10 million, 10 million, 100 million, 100 million. Okay, here the number of zeros. Here also if you observe, when you move from right hand side to left hand side, its value increases 10 times, children. When you move from left hand side to right hand side, its value decreases. When compared to Indian system, here the number of zeros will be same, but only the names of the places changes. Names of the places changes. Now let us see in more detail about the relationship between Indian system and international system. So first we will see here, this is the table of Indian system. Here what we are going to learn means, this is the name of the place and value of the place and number of zeros in that place. So here ones place, value will be 1, number of zeros will be 0. Tens place, value will be 10, number of zeros will be 1. Hundreds place, value will be 100, number of zeros will be 2. Thousands place, value will be 1000, number of zeros will be 3. 10,000s place, value will be 10,000, number of zeros will be 4. Lakh, value will be 1 lakh, number of zeros will be 5. So like this it goes on increasing, children, number of zeros. Here did you observe? So here 0, 1, 2, 3, that means its value increases 10 times, right? Now we will see the international system place value. This one. In the international system place value also same thing, children. Ones place 1, 0 zeros. Tens place 10, 1 0. Hundreds place 100, 2 zeros. Thousands place 1000, 3 zeros. 10,000s place 10,000, 4 zeros. Here 100,000, 100,000, 5 zeros. It goes on like this, children. When you compare this and this, both will be same. That is, number of zeros will be same always, but only the names of the places changes. That we will see in more detail in the next slide. So here you can see, children, this is Indian numeration and this is international numeration. Okay, and these are the numbers. So what is the value of their places? Value will be same for both, right? But here the names changes. We will see what is the change in the names. Okay, now here you have ones place in the case of Indian system. It is also ones place in the international system. Tens place in the Indian system is also tens place in the international system. Hundreds place in the Indian system, hundreds place in the international system. Thousands place in the Indian system, thousands place in the international system. 10,000s place in the Indian system equals to 10,000s place in the international system, children. Now lakhs place in the Indian system. So this is here lakhs place in the Indian system is equals to 100,000 in the international system. Now 10 lakhs place in the Indian system, millions place in the international system. Crores place in the Indian system, 10 millions place in the international system. So like this it goes, children. But here did you observe, up to 10,000 the names of the places are same in both Indian system and international system, children. Only from lakhs place it changes. Here 1 lakh in the Indian system is equals to 100,000 in the international system. 110 lakh in the Indian system is equals to 1 million in the international system. 1 crore in the Indian system is equals to 110 million in the case of international system. So only from the lakhs place it changes, children. Up to 10,000 the names of the places it is same in the case of Indian and the international system. Okay, now we will see how to use of commas. So what is the use of commas here, children? Use of commas is very important in the case of reading and writing the numbers. So we will see in more detail what we have to do here. Now we will see with the examples. But before the example, now let us learn few points, important points. When you are placing the commas here in the number, 2 points you have to remember, children. The first point, you have to move from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, right hand side to left hand side. What is the second point, children? You have at the end of each period you have to place comma. Okay, at the end of each period you have to place comma. Right hand side to left hand side, at the end of each period you have to place comma, children. Is it clear? Now here the number which I have given is 50801592. Now which hand side to which hand side you have to move? Right hand side to left hand side, right? So here 2 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place. This is the end of the ones period, so you have to place comma. Now 1 is in thousands place, 0 is in 10,000s place. This is the end of the thousands period, so you have to place comma. 8 is in lakhs place, 0 is in 10 lakhs place. This is the end of the lakhs period, you have to place comma. Next 5 is in crores place, and here you have one more place, that is 10 crores. So you don't have the digit, so it is not the end of the period, so no need to place comma. Or if you don't have any other digit, no need to place comma. Okay, if you don't have any other digit beside that, no need to place comma. Or if it is not the end of the period, no need to place comma. Is it clear, children? So only 2 points you have to remember. You have to move from right hand side to left hand side. Next point is at the end of each period you have to place comma. Okay, now we will see the next number, 33240781. Okay, right hand side to left hand side. So 1, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. End of the ones period, place comma. Thousands, 10,000s. End of the thousands period, place comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. End of the lakhs period, place comma. Okay, now next one, 5327589. Ones, tens, hundreds. End of the ones period, place comma. Thousands, 10,000s. End of the thousands period, place comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. End of the lakhs period, place comma. Now this is the crores period. Is it clear, children? This is regarding the Indian system. Now let us see how to place commas in the international system. Here you know the periods of the international system, right? What are the periods? Ones period, thousands period, millions period. So here ones, tens, hundreds. End of the ones period. So place comma. Next thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So you have to place comma at the end of the thousands period. Next million, 10 million. This is not the end of the millions period because you have 100 million also, right? So and you don't have any other digit beside that also. So no need to place comma. Let us see one more example, 33240781. Now ones, tens, hundreds. Place comma. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. Place comma, million, 10 million. Is it clear, children? This is the way you will place commas in the Indian system and also in the international system. Yes, but here did you observe one thing, children? Now here in the Indian system, after first 3 digits you will place comma, and after every 2 digits you will place comma. But in the case of international system, after every 3 digits you will be placing the commas. Okay, this is the important point and the shortcut method for you. Okay, so in the Indian system, after first 3 digits you have to place comma, and after every 2 digits you have to place comma. Now here in the case of international system, after every 3 digits you have to place comma, children. This is very, very important point. Okay, now this usage of commas is helpful for what purpose? What did I say? For reading and writing. For reading and writing the numbers. Let us see what it is. First, this is also different in the case of Indian system and also in the case of international system, children. Now let us see first Indian system. Let us discuss with the example. Now here I said numeral form and the word form, right? So what is numeral form, children? Numeral form is nothing but writing the number as it is by placing the commas according to the periods, what we have seen in the previous slide. Okay, now word form. So here we will see the numeral form. You know how to place commas according to Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds at the end of the ones period, and thousands, 10,000s at the end of the thousands period. Now you have to write the word form. Word form is helpful you to how to read the number, right? Now here let us, when you are reading the word form, that is when you are reading the number or when you are writing the word form of the number, it is very important you have to move from left hand side to right hand side. And one more important point is you have to read the number as it is, followed by the name of the period. Followed by the name of the period. These are the two important points, children. When you are writing the word form or when you are reading the number, you have to move from left hand side to right hand side of the number. Okay, and the number in each period you have to read as it is, followed by the name of the period. Okay, now let us see what it is. Now here 2 is in which period? Lakhs period, not place. You should not see the place here. 2 is in lakhs period, so 2 lakh. Okay, now this number you have to read as it is. You should not read it as 7, 10,000 or 9,000. You should read the number as it is, followed by the name of the period. This is 79, so 79,000. Next 453, because this is in ones period, you can read the number as it is. 453. 2 is in lakhs period, so 2 lakh. 79 is in thousands period, 79,000. 453. Is it clear, children, up to this? This is the way you will read the number or write the word form of the number, children. Okay, let us see the next example. That is 40305894. Okay, now how to write the numeral form and the word form. Now here you have to move from right hand side to left hand side when you are placing the commas, right? Here ones, tens, hundreds, ones period, place comma. Thousands, 10,000, you have place comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, place comma. Now when you are reading or writing the word form, what did I say? Move from left hand side to right hand side. 4 is in which period? 4 crores period. Now here 3 is in lakhs period, so 3 lakh. 5 is in thousands period, so 5,000. 894. So this is the way you will read the number, children. The number you will read as it is, followed by the name of the period. Okay. Now let us see the numeral form and word form in the case of international system. We will see with the examples, children. Now here the number is 52700,375. Now here this is the numeral form and this is the word form. Now here, so you have to move from right hand side to left hand side. After every 3 digits I told to place comma in the case of international system, right? Now how to read? You have to move from left hand side to right hand side. Here what is the number? 52. 52 is in which period? Million period. So 52 million. Now what is the number here? 700. 700 which period? Thousands period. 375. Is it clear? Let us see one more example. Now the example 4350894, numeral form and the word form. So here 895, after every 3 digits you have to place comma. Now word form, 4 is in which period? Millions period. 4 million. 350 thousands period. 350,000. 894. Is it clear, children? So up to now we have learnt about place value chart in Indian system and international system, and how to place commas in Indian system and international system, and how to write the numeral form and word form. Now what is left over? Writing the expanded form by using the placement boxes. Now let us see that. Now here, before seeing this example, before stepping into this example, children, first you have to know the meaning of the expanded form, right? What is meant by expanded form, children? Expanded form is nothing but you have to expand each digit of the number by writing the place value of each digit of that number. Okay, you have to expand each digit of the number by writing the place value of every digit of the number. Okay, now we will see with the example. But before writing the expanded form, here I mentioned one name. What it is? Placement box. What is meant by placement box, children? Placement box is nothing but the place value chart. Place value chart. You know the place value chart. First, why I have drawn here placement box? Because until you get more practice, it is very important to draw the placement box. Then only you have to write the expanded form. Otherwise, you will get confused, children. Only for few days. Okay, once you get more practice, you can write as it is. Okay, now here first step when you are writing the expanded form is to draw the placement box and write the digits of that number under that places. That is the first step. You have to draw the placement box and write the digits of that number under each place. Okay, this is the first step. Now second step is you have to write the value, place value of that each digit of that number. So 9 is in which place? 1's place. So 9 into 1 is 9. 8 is in which place? 10's place. So 8 into 10, that equals to 80. 5 is in which place? 100's place. So 5 into 100, 500. 6 is in which place? 1000's place. So 6 into 1000, 6000. 4 is in which place? 10,000's place. So 4 into 10,000, 40,000. 3 is in which place? 1 lakh place. So 3 into 1 lakh, 3 lakh. Is it clear up to this? Now, what is the, you have written the place values now. First step, drawing the placement box and writing the digits of the number under each place. What is the second step? Writing the place values. Now, how to write the expanded form? This one, children. So, this is the expanded form. Writing the plus symbol in between. 3,40,000 plus 6,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 9. Just you have to write the plus symbol. Okay, that's it. So, this is regarding the Indian system expanded form. Now, what is the international system? We will see with the example. What is the first step I said? You have to draw the placement box. So, you know the place value chart of international system. That is ones, tens, hundreds, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. And you can write 100 million also, but you don't have that many number of digits here. Next, you have to write the digits below that. This is the first step. Second step, write the value. Place value. 8 is in 1's place. 8 into 1 is 8. 7 is in 10's place. 7 into 10 is 70. 6 into 100's place. 6 into 100 is 600. 5 is in 1000's place. 5 into 1000 is 5000. 5 into 10,000's place. So 5 into 10,000 is 50,000. 9 is in lakhs place. Sorry, 9 is in 100,000's place. So 9 into 100,000 is 900,000. 9 into millions place. So 9 into 1 million is 9 million. 9 into 10 millions place. So 9 into 10 million is 90 million. Now the expanded form. Writing the plus symbol and writing the place values as it is. Is it clear, children? This is a way you will use the placement box for writing the expanded form until you get more practice. Okay. Now, we will see the next few more examples. There we have seen Indian system and international system separately for writing the expanded form. Here we will see as it is. Okay. Now here 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. In the Indian system, 2 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. So 20 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 90. Okay. Next, in the international system, it is in millions place. So 2 million, 500,000, 60,000, 7,890. Okay. Now, here there is one more shortcut method if you are not drawing the placement box, children. What is the shortcut method? Shall I explain you? First, what you have to do, write the place value of 2, right? Write 2, then close this 2. So how many digits you have beside that? 6 digits. So you have to place 6 zeros beside that. Next, you have to write plus symbol and write next digit, that is 5. Now close these 3 digits. Now how many digits you have beside that on your right hand, on the right hand side of that? That is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to place 5 zeros. Next, you have to write 6. Close these 3. Now how many digits you have on the right hand side? 4 digits. So you have to place 4 zeros. Now again 7. Write 7, close this 4 digits, and how many digits you have? 3 digits left over, so 3 zeros. Now again write 8, close this everything. Now how many digits you have? 2 digits, so place 2 zeros. Now close this, all this, write 9 and close this. Now how many digits you have? Only 1 0, so write 0. So this is the shortcut method, children, without using the place value chart. Okay, now here 5 6 7 3 4 6. Now shall we use the shortcut method here? 5, so 5 is in, how many zeros you have? 5 zeros, so place 5 zeros, and commas you have to place according to Indian system. Now next write 6 and close these two. 4 digits you have to place 4 zeros. Now 7, close these 3, you have 3 digits, place 3 zeros. Now 3, close 4 digits, and you have only 2 digits left over, so 2 zeros. Now write 4, close this. How many digits are left over on your right hand side? That is only 1, so you have to place 1 0. Now 6, write 6, close this. Do you have any other digit beside that? No, so no need to place 0. And you have to place commas according to Indian system. Same way here also you have to place comma according to international system. Here you can observe, children. So here we will use a place value chart. I have to explain one main important thing. 4 is in 10,000s place, so 40,000. 5 is in thousands place, so 5,000. 4 is in tens place. If you have 0, no need to write the place value for the children, because 0 into anything is 0 itself. Now 4 is in tens place, so 40. Now 6 is in ones place, so 6. Here also same thing you will get, because here up to 10,000 the values in the international system and Indian system, it will be same, children. This is what I thought to explain you. Is it clear, children? This is regarding the placement box and the expanded form. Now we have learnt about how to write the word form when I give the number, right? But now when I give the word form, how to write the numeral form for that? How to write the numeral form for that? Now this is the word form and the numeral form, children. So here I have given the word form, so you have to write the number for that. Here also it's very important. For few days try to draw the placement box, children. Okay, now let us see what is the word form they have given here. 42,78,000. Here main important thing, when you are reading, because you have to draw the placement box, there are two types of placement boxes, Indian system and international system. For that, first what you have to do, you have to identify, okay, which is Indian system or which is international system. So while reading you have to identify the periods. So here if you read 42 lakh is in which place value system, children? It is in Indian system. Do you have lakh in international system? No. So 42 lakh 78,000. So you have to identify the periods or places. So this period it is in Indian system. So you have to draw the Indian system place value chart here. Okay, now after drawing the place value chart, first step is you have to identify it is in which system, Indian system or international system. Then you have to draw the placement box. Now you have to write the digits under the places. So 42 lakh, it is in lakhs place. So you have to write 42 under lakhs place, lakhs period. Now 78,000, under thousands period write 78. Now here one more period is missing, that is ones period, right? So under ones period you have 3 digits, so you have to write 3 zeros here. Okay, 42 lakh 78,000. Here it is very important to write zeros whichever period is missing, otherwise its value changes. You can observe here only, if you don't write zeros here, what is the value of this? 4,270, but it is 42 lakh, right? So 42 lakh 78,000. Next you have to write the numbers by placing the comma. Okay, so this is the step you have to follow. Now we will see the next example, children. That is 7,003,023. What did I say? When you are reading, you have to identify the periods. Now here you have million. Million is in which system? International system. So you have to draw the international system place value chart. And now 7 million. In millions period, you have to write 7. 3,000. In thousands period, you have to write 3. Here if you write 003 only, it will become 3. But if you write 300 here, it will become 300, or 030, it will become 30. So you have to write only 003. Now 23. So which place is missing? Hundreds place is missing. So under hundreds place, write 0, write 2, write 3. So whichever places are missing, you have to write zeros there, children. Okay. So now you have to place the commas and you have to write the number as it is. Okay. Now let us, do you want to learn some interesting facts? Yes, let us see what it is. Now these are the interesting facts, children. What are the interesting facts here? Now already you know the greatest 2-digit number, smallest 3-digit number, greatest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 3-digit number, children? It is 999. What is the smallest 3-digit number? It is 100. What is the greatest 4-digit number? It is 9999. What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000, right? So here, what is some interesting fact in that smallest and the greatest numbers? Here you can see, children. Here 9. 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. If you add 1 to greatest 1-digit number, you will get smallest 2-digit number. If you add 1 to greatest 2-digit number, you will get smallest 3-digit number, children. If you add 1 to greatest 3-digit number, you will get smallest 4-digit number. If you add 1 to greatest 4-digit number, you will get smallest 5-digit number. If you add 1 to greatest 5-digit number, you will get smallest 6-digit number, children. Is it clear up to this? So this is some interesting fact I thought I can put up to you. Okay, so this is the interesting fact. But here one more interesting fact is it, that is nothing but it is reverse of this. If you subtract 1 from smallest 2-digit number, you will get greatest 1-digit number. If you subtract 1 from smallest 3-digit number, you will get greatest 2-digit number. If you subtract 1 from smallest 4-digit number, you will get greatest 3-digit number. It goes like this, children. These are the 2 main interesting facts. Okay, is it interesting, children? Yes, I hope it is interesting. Now this is regarding the what we have learned. So what all we have learned, children? We have learned about the place value chart in Indian system and international system. Next, what we have learned? We have learned about how to place commas, how to read the numbers, and how to write the numbers. And also we have learned about the placement boxes and the expanded form, numeral form to word form. So here main important things you have to remember are, in the Indian system, only after first 3 digits you have to place comma, and after every 2 digits you have to place comma. In the international system, after every 3 digits you have to place comma, children. And when you are placing the comma, you have to move from right hand side to left hand side. When you are writing the word form, you have to move from left hand side to right hand side, children. These are the 2 main things you have to do. These are the main important points you have to remember. But when you are writing the word form, then you have to write the number, name of the number as it is, followed by the name of the period. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood. Now, in the next slide, I have given the assignment. The solutions for the assignment we will discuss in the next session, but you have to pause the video and you have to make a note of the assignment and complete the assignment in the 200 pages notebook by writing the date. Is it clear? So let us see what is the assignment. So this is the assignment what I have given here. Write the following numbers using the placement boxes. Write the following numbers using the placement boxes and write their expanded form in Indian system. So this you have to place commas according to Indian system and write their expanded forms. Now here write the following numbers by placing commas using Indian and international system and write the word form. Here you have to write the expanded form according to Indian system. Here you have to write the word form according to Indian and international system. Is it clear, children? I hope all of you understood. Thank you and have a nice day ahead, children. Thank you so much.